Hi there, in this video you'll learn how to create and personalize your first event in BeGuest. Let's see how it works. So far, you've already created a first form, location and report template. If you haven't watched those videos yet, I recommend checking them out so you can follow the Essentials mini-series. Now let's create your event. First, head to the event section. In the top right corner, you'll find the button to create a new event. Here, you'll see two key fields, the event name and the guest portal label. Event name is the internal name only you will see from inside the platform, and the guest portal label is the name your guests will see when they access the event from the guest portal. Then, set the start and end dates of your event. Now you can save it. The first thing you'll see when you enter your event is the dashboard, which updates automatically with key information. Which groups are arriving and leaving each day, relevant information from the event organization. In the customization section, you can adjust the look and feel of the event within the platform. Let's take a look at what you can do. Support. Within this tab, you can edit the contact information for your organizing team, such as the email or phone number, or even you can add the URL link to your user manual if you have one. If you don't want to include this information, just simply leave it on blank and it will disappear. Brand image. From here, you can customize the appearance of the guest view. Change the colors, fonts, and logos so that the event matches your company's branding. Remember that the only image that needs a specific dimension is the start banner, as it must fit perfectly. Data form. Choose the colors, text, buttons, and backgrounds. Event bar, agenda, and forms. Customize the font style and the colors of the event names on the bar. You can also edit the agenda and location sections, improving the layout so that your guests enjoy a more engaging experience. BeGuest gives you plenty of options to customize your event and to make it reflect your brand identity. Explore all the settings and experiment the different combinations until you find the one that best suits your style. Once your event is ready, you can begin adding content and managing every detail. Don't miss the next Essential video where we'll add the content and publish your event. Thanks for using BeGuest and have an amazing event.